How Mexico's tariff changes will impact you. Did you know that Mexico's recent tariff changes could raise prices on everyday goods in the US? From groceries to electronics, these shifts in trade policy might affect your wallet more than you think. But why is this happening, and what does it mean for you? Let's break it down. Today, we're diving into Mexico's new tariff policies and how they could impact both consumers and businesses. Whether you shop for imported goods or run a company that relies on Mexican trade, these changes could have major consequences. So, what's the issue? Mexico has recently adjusted its tariff rates on various imports and exports, which means certain goods are now more expensive to bring across the border. This could lead to 1. Higher prices on imported products. 2. Trade disruptions between Mexico and the US. 3. Increased costs for businesses, which could be passed on to consumers. This shift doesn't just affect companies, it affects you, the everyday consumer. If you buy products that rely on Mexican imports, such as fresh produce, automobiles, or electronics, you could soon be paying more. Let's take a closer look at what's changing. Some of the key tariff adjustments involve 1. Agricultural products, including corn, avocados, and beef, which are crucial for both Mexican and US markets. 2. Manufactured goods like auto parts and electronics, which could lead to increased production costs for cars and tech devices. 3. Textiles and raw materials, affecting clothing and industrial manufacturing. For the US economy, this could mean supply chain delays, higher inflation, and strained trade relations. On Mexico's side, while these tariffs may protect certain industries, they could also discourage foreign investment and trade partnerships. Here's the bottom line: these tariffs could lead to increased costs for both businesses and consumers. If companies have to pay more for raw materials or imports, they may raise prices to compensate. That means you might see more expensive groceries, higher car prices, and even increased costs on electronics and clothing. On a broader scale, these tariffs could impact job markets, economic growth, and trade relations between Mexico and the US. The longer these changes remain in place, the more consumers and businesses will feel the effects. In summary, Mexico's tariff adjustments could have far-reaching consequences, affecting everything from food prices to supply chains. Keeping an eye on these changes can help you prepare for possible price increases and shifts in the market. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other content on trade and economic trends. What do you think about these tariff changes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay informed.